Meet the mysterious Potoo, nature's living statue. By day, these camouflage experts morph into tree branches, almost vanishing from sight. As night falls, their eerie calls echo like ghostly whispers, creating an enigmatic atmosphere. With exceptional night vision, Potoos effortlessly navigate the dark, standing upright like motionless tree stumps during the day, enhancing their incredible camouflage. Their unique bills become stealthy weapons, capturing insects during nighttime hunting escapades. No elaborate nests here, Potoos lay eggs on branches, relying on their cryptic appearance to outsmart predators.